side and take it.
I love you too. Well, that's friends. Yeah.
First time on the new Excelsiors.
Yeah, same.
This is my first time on an XD40 in a while.
Yeah, like
Oh, no, it's all four. Going on 26. The front is different.
All fours in training.
Oh, yeah, this is
2606.
new one.
Yeah,
So that's the new.
my friends actually did like some projects for like studies. Yeah, it was a like I think very points or
Oh, come on, give us that log, give us that. Let's see how long
They should let us out over here and let us fall.
let you inside. By the way, we do put the social impact.
Yeah, Alpha C, and T4LF, and
Make sure it's
counts.
first one to submit it. Those are buses going in. I totally appreciate that.
See, I think
This is the parking space here. This is our stage here. So welcome to the facility. This is the this used to be a GO Transit facility. You can see from this part of the building, it still has the GO look, but we did an expansion. So this is the administration office for the contractor that operates this division. So North is part of the North and the West division. So there's another garage on Keel Street. But now we're coming into the wash bay. We do washing of our fleet every night. So every vehicle is cleaned and prepared for duty after coming off duty. So this is just part of the process.
and now it's our turn.
That's it.
What are we in now? We're in the bus wash bay.
So the first area is where all the fluids get done. It's this is also where the vehicle gets swept and prepared. So fluids include, the washer fluid, but also fuel. There's also the fare box dump, which is the orange unit over there. So we have all of that set up here. So it's part of a process, but the facilities you use on a daily basis. You keep things clean and keep things organized, and it's going to be there for when you need it, right? So it's a facility that is well taken care of. And this bus wash is designed specifically for buses. And so if you bring a car in here, you don't get a car back. Because
Close the windows.
yeah, close
We're all
the
good.
windows.
Go ahead.
Perfect. So it's a two-part process. The first part is the washing for the front, and then we will pause and wash the back part because these buses get really dirty in the back compared to the front.
Oh yeah, especially with the
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's been out like yesterday. Yeah.
then the driver's operator and all staff report into this office here. And the driver lounge is the next one over. So what we'll be doing is we'll be alighting and boarding from this area here, just outside.
At the front door too.
Yeah, perfect. And then we'll be leaving here. So when you're ready, just kind of come over this way to take a look. But please stay in the areas of the lane of the events.
The seats in here are the same as like the Excelsior's the new one.
The garage. Okay.
We'll be now exiting by going around this building here. This is where we do all the maintenance for this contract. So all these lines correspond to different tracks. The ones at the far end